Hi there, students. Equanimity. Okay, equanimity is a noun. We also have the adjective equanimous, but the adjective is pretty unusual. Okay, equanimity is the state of being calm, especially in stressful situations. He showed equanimity. He was very even-tempered, even in the most stressing of situations. He faced defeat with equanimity. Nothing could disturb her equanimity. We need to face problems with equanimity so that we can think clearly. Age helps to give us extra equanimity. So equanimity, composure, calmness, imperturbability. Yeah, if you're imperturbable, you have aplomb and serenity. Yeah, nothing stresses you. Okay, so this is the idea of equanimity. You are calm and relaxed even after a shock or something unpleasant or in a difficult situation. Okay, so you don't lose your cool. His equanimity is so great that he never loses his temper. We would all gain from increased equanimity. Discipline over your emotions gives equanimity. If an officer shows equanimity, it tends to calm his troops. So equanimity, an even temper, which is not easily disturbed no matter what happens. So they say that yoga can give us the sublime quality of equanimity. I think one thing that happens to students when they speak English, if they're speaking English with a native, the first thing is their equanimity goes. And equanimity will really help you speak better English. Yeah, being calm, cool, collected, and relaxed about it. Yeah, and that's the idea of equanimity. I think some of us are more highly strung, others have more equanimity. But I think equanimity is good because it means our minds are clear to think logically and make logical decisions rather than just react based on a knee-jerk reaction, a sudden reaction. Okay, so the next question, formality, equanimity. Woof, I think I'd give this a 7, 7.5, maybe even 8. It sounds very literary, it sounds very formal. I think in an informal situation, I would use a word like calm or composed or relaxed, yeah? And then the origin, well, it comes from Latin. It comes from equanimus. Oh no, equanimitas. Excuse me, equanimitas. Equus meaning level or equal, and animus, the mind. So level mind. Okay, so if you have equanimity after a shock or a surprise, an unpleasant surprise or something really bad happens, you don't get flustered. You remain calm and you try to find solutions or ways of dealing with it. Yeah? So my recommendation, try and keep your equanimity when speaking English. You'll find it you speak much better. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Equanimity.